Hello, I am Daniel Costa, CTO of Arkhia, and today I'll be showing you the new Arkhia Scout Events feature. Our Scout Events feature allows for users to receive notifications over activity of items from the Dodaro protocol, and these rules can be configured both from our Arkhia API or the UI as we're about to see. The Scout Event features can be found on the left-hand side, and it's enabled for paid tier users. For this example, I will show you how you can track wallet balance movements easily. Let's begin. Let's have our first example showcase changes in wallet balances. So for this, I'll use the component above, and we'll validate if the item exists and then add it to our systems. For this example, I'll use a testnet account. So I'll select testnet. There's several items that we can track. For this one, I will choose account, and I will copy paste a regular testnet account. When I add the account, it automatically added to the grid and also automatically added below so we can see the configuration and start actually tracking movements around this account. We can retrieve the balance easily and understand what's the current balance. So for now, I am going to activate the tracking of this item and also specifically for the balance. I can see that my current balance is close to 9,000 HBARs, and I would like to be notified when there's a small balance change. Now, we can choose what do we do when this balance changes. So for this example, I am going to actually just activate email. So I will receive an email every time there's a balance change of at least 0.1%. If you do have large wallet movements, you're better off probably having larger numbers. But for this example, I just want to be notified whenever there's a small balance increase. You can also add webhooks. For this demo, we will not include it, but if you have third-party services or other microservices that would like to consume this type of activity, you can also just include the URL, get in post, and then you'll have a payload being sent to you. So once I've configured everything, I'm going to save. And I can also click on more info, and it will take me to the Explorer where I can validate as well that I do have this account active. So now all I need to do is just make a transfer of HBARs and see the notification happen, which we'll do right now. So now for this last part, let's see if Scout was able to send the email notifications over the movement of this account. So I'll go to my Explorer and realize that there has been some activity here since I connected my balance movements with Scout, mainly 2 transactions. So let's see if I'll go to my mailbox. And as you can see, this is an example of what just happened. So we have a bit of a transfer that I've done. So 0.22% down, and you can see that that was basically the transfer that happened for this account. And then now you also have another email which shows that the balance went up to 10,000 since it's a testnet that's been topped up, and that's a change of 11.36%. So as you can see, you can receive emails and just have a real-time notification of any activity happening to your account. So stay tuned for more updates, and I hope this was of use for you. Bye and see you soon.